Here we go. Tristar mini helmet and jersey round 8. All 32 teams are in. Okay, Tim. 3 times on the draw. Good luck. Killer Saints on the bottom. S. Jockin on top. 1, 2, 3. HVAC Therapy number 1. Stephen Carrington number 32. Teams. Vikings on bottom. Niners on top. 1, 2. Good luck. 3. Bills up top. Cowboys on bottom. Dang it. Alright, there you go. Just going to pop these on the screen and start the break. This isn't what you signed up for, Drumbo. That's why you're not in it yet. We still got to fill. We have to finish up filling it. This is for the break on the screen here. It's not the draw there. You're good. All right. Good luck. Green Bay Packers. Ron Wolf. General Manager of the Green Bay Packers. 3-time Super Bowl champ and Pro Football Hall of Fame in 2015. A GM autograph. There you go. The Green Bay Packers. Brian Carrington. Fits right into Brian's general manager PC that he's got going. Cool. Vince Young. Look at all those college accolades. Offensive rookie of the NFL. Pro Bowler. Going to the Titans. Two-time something on there. Two-time something bowl MVP right there. There you go. 2 times. Vince Young. The Titans. Killer Saints. All right. All right. That's it. Thanks everybody for watching and joining. Until the next one.